Okay, so for this tutorial, you're gonna need a pencil, a permanent marker, and pretty much anything to color with. I'm using Copics. They work pretty well. So that's what you need. And so the first thing we're gonna do is make a big circle in the middle, and you can also just trace something. This is my garbage bin. Just put it down around in the middle, and then all the way around with a pencil. And you should have something like that. Then you can just erase on the edges that you don't want. Like that. Okay, so we have the main body. So now what we're gonna do is put a few lines coming out. Where the legs are gonna come. Do one around there, that. Then another one right across from it like that. And then make a slight curve to close it. And then do the same thing with this one, but a little bit longer and bigger. Like that. Now we're going to put an oval around this ankle like that. And then line down. And then another one. It's not as long. My voice is a bit raspy, I guess, because I didn't sleep very well. It's kind of early in the morning. So then we're gonna repeat the same thing on this side. Like that. And then come down around the same as far as that. And then curve down like that. And then do a line here. And the same thing. And then you can close it at the bottom. And that's a foot. This one's a bit different. This one's going to be facing this way. So what we're going to do is bring that down. And this overlaps it. And then do that. It'd be a bit shorter than this one. And here, about to. And I just realized I'm doing this all with pencil. Yeah. So this part is the only part that has to be with pencil. So you can erase it like that. So yeah, from here on you can just do it with permanent marker, but I'm just doing it to be safe, I guess. So yeah, you can just permanent marker it later, I guess. So coming out from here, about another line slanted down, like that, and then curve it around at a 90-degree angle like that, around the same size as this one. Then do one that parallel, and then a bit down from this one, you pull it back like that. Okay, so now we're gonna make the hand, which is what I love. A little bit of a curved line here. And then same thing above it like that. And then connect them. Like so. And then do like a curve here. And bring it all the way up like that. And then up here, just do like a very lightly curved line. And then a stem coming out of it like that. And then from here, we're gonna pull it all the way back to there. So that's a glove. Yeah. And then for the thumb, you can just do that. Okay. So then we're gonna do the next arm, which is like that. And then another one, slightly longer. And then another, or not curved, slanted line. Yeah. And another one about the same length. And then it's not exactly gonna, it might not fit like the full thing on here. That's okay. If you have more room, then yeah, just finish it. But it's gonna come out like this to the edge of the paper, probably, and then you can just probably leave that part because it's not gonna fit. So about the middle point, and then bring it down, and then up, and around. It's kind of a weird shape. Probably bring this down a bit. So yeah, and then the thumb about the same as here. Go up and then curve it out. So yeah, it didn't exactly fit, but like the only thing that would change is like it would be like that, and then just curve out like that. So yeah. Okay, so now we got the basic shape. We can either permanent marker it, like you could have already done that, but I'm just not going to do that for the sake of time. Probably going to do it in the killing stage. So next we have a big smile here. Yeah, goes big line across the middle like that. And it doesn't come as far as this one to the edge. See, there's a bit of a gap here. Because this one's farther back. And this one's closer. So then we draw a line like that. And then a big smile. Very big. Right. And then, yeah, it needs to be very round. Otherwise, it doesn't really look like it. Okay. So then, with the tongue, just like that. Kind of like that. It's kind of weird. It's just floating in there. But, yeah. So, next is the nose and eyes, and we're almost done. So, put a little stub thing, I guess. I don't know what that is. I mean, it's the nose, but like, I don't know how to describe it. An arch, I guess? I don't know. And then, up here, we're gonna curve all the way down. And then back across the smile line. You can make it a bit thicker. This. If you want. It's a closed eye. In case you didn't know. And then this eye, it kind of resembles like his arcade appearance. Because it's like a Pac-Man thing. And that's the basic idea. You can add more stuff like eyebrows coming a bit higher, like that, and then make them bigger. And that's pretty much it. That's Pac-Man from Pac-Man. Okay, so now I'm gonna cover in permanent marker, erasing these like intersecting lines like that. Okay, so that's the Pac-Man, not final product, but the basic outline. So I did make this overlap a bit because I realized it's more in the back, so you can do that too. So the coloring is kind of easy for this. Just use yellow for most of it, and then his shoes are red, and his gloves are orange-ish. So to keep it simple, I'm just gonna do that, and also the mouth, the tongue is red, and the inside is black. So I could have done the inside of the mouth with permanent marker, but I just thought it'd be easier with regular markers because they're faster. So yeah, and okay, and that was the final product. I got some smudging around the edges here because the permanent markers and the Copics don't exactly work very well together. But yeah, so that's the final product. If you like this video, please show that by clicking the like button and maybe even subscribing. Bye.